It's my grandson's birthday and I'm cooking. I'm going to cook chicken, curry chicken, and oxtail. So Francis is going to make potato salad and I'm going to make vegetable. So, people, just watch me. Let's talking and I'm going to cook because it's going to take me a time if I'm going to talk and cook. I already seasoned the meat from last week, Wednesday. And let me tell you, it is marinated. Let me give you a little peek. Let me give you a peek in the bag. Look at that. Look at that, people. It is marinated. When I tell you it smells like a restaurant and it's morning, no people, we're going to wake up everybody this morning because it's 6 o'clock this morning. Look at Mr. Francis.
Good morning. I am here. You tell me morning.
Morning, Mr. Francis.
Ah.
I took out the chicken from yesterday morning to thaw out because it was in the freezer from last week. So I have to take it out yesterday morning. That was Friday morning to thaw out. It's now Saturday morning. So I put my curry in my pot. And I'm going to put in the chicken. People, it's a lot of chicken. I don't have a big commercial stove. So you don't have to go cooking little because the burner can't manage so much chicken. Might have to cut it in 2 or 3. The pot full already, people, and chicken in the thing still. And have another full parcel. Alright, we're going to cover that. I'm going to cover these, people. My peas is on the stove. It's almost cooked. Then we're going to separate it because it's white rice and rice and peas. So while I'm cooking the peas, then I'm going to cut it in half and cook it in 2. Because as I tell you, my stove is not big enough. So I'm going to cook 2 pots of rice and peas. Stick and stay with me, people. Mr. Francis is over there peeling his potato. I have 2 parcels of oxtail. My pressure cooker is small, so I might have to go pressure 4 times. Look at it. Well seasoned, marinated. Look at that. Well seasoned. I'm going to put him in the pressure cooker now. While sipping my tea. Don't normally drink tea so early, but Mr. Francis make tea. Can't tell him no, else one next morning now go do it. Every morning he make tea for me now. But I always take it to work. Don't normally drink it here. But let me sip. Take a sip. He's watching me. He said, make sure you sip the tea before you start doing anything. So guess what? Sit here. Okay, I'm going to put in some of the oxtail. You see the amount of oxtail? If you know it's heavy. I'm going to put in some in the pot. That is why I get up so early, because I don't have the space and I have to cook in small. I'm going to invest in a big pressure cooker. I don't know how big they come, but I'm going to buy a big one because I'm always doing a lot of big cooking. That's it, can't hold no more. Now people, you want to smell the kitchen. Hey. early in the morning. People, let's check the first pot of curry. I didn't full the pot because you know the curry, the chicken had in ice. So I want to move fast, so therefore I didn't fill the pot with the chicken. That's another secret. And again, I'm cooking on the gas stove. If it was like wood fire, coal fire, I could do that. But because of the gas stove and ice is in the chicken, you know it's going to spring a lot of water. So if you put too much chicken in the pot, you know it's going to take forever to start the cooking process and too much water. And I don't want that watery taste in the chicken. So therefore, I don't put too much chicken in the pot. But it's coming on. I'm going to give it like 5 more minutes and then I put some water in it. Okay people, the first pot of curry is finished. I just seasoned it. All I put in it is some Maggi all-purpose, some Slappy Mama, and some, let's see, some oxtail seasoning. That's all I put in the curry to re-season it. And look at it. That's the first pot of curry. Eat people. It will simmer down now and then I take it out. I put a little cornstarch in it to get some gravy. That's it. You saw it, pretty people? Okay, I'm going up with about 4 pots of curry. Alright. Cover it. Let it simmer down a little and then we throw it. We're going to pour it in a container. I finished the curry chicken. I did 2 pots already. I have the last one in. I did 1 oxtail, I have 1 more in and 1 is left. Mr. Francis is doing is potato salad. I think it cut up already. It's cooling now, it's cooked. And he's doing his, what is babes? He's doing his seasoning now to put in his potato salad. So give him a watch there people. I am still around the kitchen.
I boil the eggs and then I cut them up. Alright, I'm gonna cut some onion. So people, this is sweet potato, Irish, and put a little twist to it, a little secret, and carrot. I'm gonna put, so add some egg, cook egg to it. The secret is this. Anybody know what it is? Put it in the comment. We're gonna put in our seasoning. Scallion, thyme, onion, bell pepper, and a little flavored pepper. They will look pretty, sir. Already, look there. They look pretty, sir. And then we stir thoroughly. Stir thoroughly. And then we sprinkle a little black pepper.
You know what, babes?
What is that?
Oh, you want me now? Are you live here?
Yeah.
Okay, that was quick.
Okay. And then you mix it around again. Can anybody see that? It's now ready. So this is what the potato salad look like when it's ready. Well, say I should taste it. Alright. can taste some. Look.
Good?
Come take a taste.
You know me not gonna taste it. You always say that.
See we there now. That is it. People will move so fast we can get record. Look at 1 pot of rice and peas. 1 pot of rice and peas. Mom? 1 pot of rice and peas. Ready?
Yeah, you can take it out and put it in the thing now.
Alright? Alright.
Okay, people. Boy, me I tell you say, I get caught up with the cooking and then I was running late. I could not film most of the cooking. So we were late. My son came and picked up the food already. So we are off to the venue and we are late because it was a lot of food. So when we reach there, if they don't start sharing out the food, I will do a little video of the food. So stick and stay with us when we reach the venue. So we are at the birthday party and look at this cake. Oh my God. This is nice. Nice, nice, nice. It's my grandson's birthday party. Joey. Joey. Now go look up and see something to play with. Joey. See? Joey. Yeah, always. Oh my God. Well, people, when we reached, they start sharing the food, so we couldn't get to video anything. But I hope you enjoyed a little much that you saw. Please like, share, and subscribe. And come back to the Francis. Hope you enjoyed. That is it. We are out.